Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Tuesday. Monday's action looked interesting for a while, but in the end it failed to produce any meaningful overnight edges. A quick look at the odds sheet and you can see that nothing was highlighted in either the bullish green or bearish orange colors. ES odds look slightly favorable for the bulls, but certainly not strong enough to take a position. Price action was moderately positive. Internals looked pretty solid, but seasonals were weak, and while the average percent profitable met the minimum, the profit factor did not reach the minimum 1.3, and it didn't reach 1.3 for any of the futures or ETFs, so it was an easy pass for me. Let's take a look and see how it played out. After closing at 1454, ES remained in a fairly tight range. After gyrations in both directions, a dive in the last half hour caused it to open down 2 points. Let's take a peek at the daily chart, and I'll show some research there. The blue line on the chart today represents the 10-day moving average. Despite closing down yesterday, we are still well above it. With the market down a little bit so far this morning, I decided to look at other times since 2000 that ES had both gapped down and closed down the last 2 days, but still closed above the 10-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Here's the results. "22 of 32 instances have gapped up the next day, and total gains are about twice the size of total losses. This, of course, hints at an upside edge for tonight. Not overwhelming, but certainly solid based on the numbers. Let's take a look at the equity chart to see how it's played out over time. There have certainly been dips and choppiness, but the general direction has remained up, and the chart appears to be good enough to confirm a moderate upside edge. So this is probably worth keeping in mind tonight and in the future. Of course, before committing any capital, I'll also be looking at Overnight Edge's Edge Finder and the odds sheet. Good luck tonight if you trade, and rest easy. The odds are in your favor.